In this video series, I'll be helping you work through our Cursor course, a short, practical series where I'll walk you through one of the most powerful AI-driven coding tools out there. But before we get hands-on, let's talk about what Cursor is, why it exists, and what it can do for you, even if you've never written a line of code before. By the end of this course, you'll know why Cursor is making waves in the tech world, and maybe even feel a bit inspired to give it a try yourself. For decades, coding meant opening a text editor like Notepad, or if you're fancy, something like VS Code or Sublime. You type out your code, hit save, then switch to Google or Stack Overflow every time you got stuck or weren't sure how something worked. Coding was a lot like trying to assemble IKEA furniture without the manual, except every screw is hidden in a different room. Now, imagine if you had a helpful, patient expert right next to you, not just someone who gives you answers, but someone who knows your exact project, can explain things to you, spot mistakes, and even suggest better ways to solve a problem. That's what Cursor is all about. It's like a next-gen coding co-pilot powered by cutting-edge AI. Cursor is a modern code editor that's based on the open source project by Microsoft called VS Code. But Cursor takes it a huge step further by weaving AI right into your workflow from the second you open your first file. You can write code, get explanations, fix bugs, and even have the AI make big, sweeping changes across your whole project, all without ever leaving the editor. It's worth mentioning that Cursor works on Mac, Windows, and Linux, so everyone gets the same high-powered AI tools. Okay, let's get specific. What can you actually do with Cursor? And let's ground this with a couple of examples. Imagine you're new to Python, you want to build a simple calculator, but you don't know where to start. With Cursor, you can just ask, hey, can you help me write a calculator? The AI will write the code, explain it to you, and help you troubleshoot errors as you go. Or maybe you're someone on a team and someone else has wrote some code that you don't understand. Cursor can instantly explain what the code is doing, suggest improvements, and even update the documentation for you. It's like having a senior developer, a tutor, and a Stack Overflow search engine all in one. Everything happens in a safe, reviewable way. You can see every suggested change, accept or reject them, and even undo anything you don't like. One thing people always ask when they have the code written is my code safe with Cursor? And the answer is yes. Cursor never uses your code to train its models unless you give it explicit permission. So whether you're a hobbyist or working in a big company, you're always in control. If you want to try Cursor for yourself, it's super easy. Go to cursor.com and download for your OS. Sign up using email, Google, or GitHub. Open a project folder in Cursor or clone from GitHub. Start exploring, try tab completions, open the chat, highlight code, and ask for help. There's a generous free trial to test out the advanced AI features. And if you decide to upgrade, plans start at $20 a month with team options available. In the next episode, we'll open Cursor together and take a guided tour so you can see what all these features look like in real life. If you've ever felt lost or frustrated by traditional code editors, I think you'll be blown away by what Cursor can do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.